EVMS -9 to 5 is a community collaborative that works together to coordinate and align programs and services from the -9, from the time somebody finds out they're pregnant, until age 5. And we have been working to coordinate a supply drive for child care providers and family day homes who are serving children of essential personnel right now.
So today at Children's Harbor, EVMS students are making packages of toilet paper and gloves and other supplies needed for child care centers to be able to clean their centers around Norfolk and Portsmouth.
So we've got around 15 students that are helping out today and about 70 locations that we'll be delivering supplies to.
Our child care workforce are essential personnel and heroes as well, often the ones that we don't talk about. Because without that care for children, many of our essential workers would not be able to get to work. We've done some calls and surveys and found that about 90% of them are having difficulties getting cleaning supplies and things that they need to care for their children safely. And so we've come together to help.
All of us are really here because we want to help out. We're no longer in the hospitals and clinics helping care for patients directly on our rotations, so we've been coming up with creative ways to help out.
Since I'm not a physician yet, I really wanted to have some type of impact. I'm really grateful for the opportunity, and I'm grateful that EVMS is so community-centered and that we have this opportunity to give back.